Hey everybody, it's Jared and Matt. Guess what? Was you pulling your shirt tight
no,
there?
I was trying to, I thought you were zooming in on something.
We're with Big Pine Sports.
Yep.
So Matt just put me on the spot and asked me where the battery was on the Z10, so I'm putting him back on the spot on where the air filter is. So here at Big Pine, look at this. Z10, 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 Z10. We got more outside. We are the CFMoto headquarters, baby. So Matt was kind of putting me on the spot, so I'm going to put him on the spot. Matt, where's the air filter for the Z10? Let's see how long it takes him.
Okay.
We're going to time this, and he really doesn't know.
I honestly have no idea.
So we're going to time you.
Well,
we're right in, what?
Do you know?
I know exactly where it is. Right. I know I have put my hands on every part of this sexy beast of a machine. All right, ready?
Let's go.
Set. Right at 60 seconds, go.
There we go. All right. So I'm going to come back to the back of it here.
Going to the back, going to the back.
I would have to think that it would be easy to get to. Okay, so we're coming up. There's air right there. There's air right there. I'm gonna say I don't even know how to get that off. Does that come off of there?
It does come off of there, but I'll give you
It's not behind there?
It's not behind there.
Okay. Am I close?
You're close. You're very warm. You're getting hotter. You're getting super hot. Super duper duper hot.
Okay. Panel. Oh, look.
There we go.
There it is.
So, do you know what kind of filter it is?
No.
It is going to be a paper serviceable air filter.
So just like a car filter.
Just like a car filter.
Perfect.
So you're going to pop up that rear seat.
Yep.
You're going to open that up. Why don't we pop those tabs there and show the loyal fans here what we got.
Where we're at. Okay.
We're getting it. We're getting it.
Yep.
We got all the tabs.
Oh. There we go. Oh, wow.
All right. Oh, wow.
Gotta be.
I didn't look to see how long it took him. Somebody in the comments, be sure and post up how long it took him. Can he figure out how to get the cover off?
No.
Does he got all the spots? Hey, if you haven't seen one of these Z10s in person, you need to come by it. Look at this. There's fingerprints on all of them because everybody's wanting to check them out.
Got it.
Look at the size of that.
That is
a monster.
Massive.
That is a monster.
That's
all right.
awesome. Okay.
There's a tech tip. You now know where the air filter is.
Yep.
Not only you, but all of the world YouTubers.
Well, see, that way y'all don't have to be embarrassed, and I'll do it for you.
Yeah.
So you don't have to ask anybody or look goofy in front of YouTube like I did.
Exactly.
So took one for the team on that one.
It's all part of the adventure.
There we go.
So there you have it, 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. What color do you like? Are you into the black or are you into the orange? Now, we're 50-50 on what customers are picking. I don't know. I'm typically an all black guy, but this orange, you sit it out in the sunlight and it pops. We already have customers with them down in Sand Hollow, and I'll tell you what, sitting down there on the Red Rock at Sand Hollow, it looks so good. All right, there we have it. Let's see if I can figure out how to shut a GoPro off. We have a ton of information already posted on the Z10. We have a ton of information already coming out. If you have not been able to find an answer to a question that you have on the Z10, hit us up and we're going to find out for you here at Big Pine Sports. Have a great day, everybody. Are you winning, Matt?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
All right, we out.